You don't need to know how to code to build a website. Let me show you. I find a design I like, take a screenshot of it, drop it straight into Claude, and I just ask, build this as a real, working web page. That's it. No code from me. Claude looks at the screenshot, works out the layout, the colors, the fonts, and writes the HTML and CSS itself. And a few seconds later, there it is. A live, working page right next to the chat. Same headline, same buttons, same gradient. It matches the screenshot almost exactly. But here's the part I love. I can change anything just by asking in plain English. Watch. I type, switch it to light mode and add a pricing section. And the whole page updates live. New light theme, 3 pricing tiers, done. No code, no designer, just a screenshot and Claude. The exact prompt is in the description, and I post a new build like this every single week. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.